Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. And today I'm going to show you the latest release, or we can say that like new features under the summer 22. Okay, so if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So let's get started without any further delay. Okay, so first of all we have to some prerequisite if you are working on the new latest features under the Salesforce. So you have to do one thing. So what is the things? Thing is related to our, so if you are new in this channel, so thing is related to our first of all you have to sign up in summer 22 pre-release. All without this account we cannot see any new kind of features under summer 22. Or if you you already logged in spring 22 or earlier release, so you cannot see this kind of features, right? So first of all you have to sign up on this summer 22 pre-release. So here you can see summer 22 pre-release org. So here you can see the URL salesforce.com form sign up pre-release -summer 22. So this is the sign up URL, and once you hit the enter of this URL, you will be see this kind of form here that is called sign up now to start your free trial. And this is first name, last name. This is the basic information to fill about the summer 22 pre-release org. Okay, so first of all you have to fill it this form, and you can use this this org. So I already filled out and I already signed up on this summer 22 pre-release org, and now I will show you step by step all the features. So I have these features here. You can see summer 22 new features. Okay, so under these features we have lots of features. I will list it out here, 11 features. This is the most frequently used features under summer 22 new feature. Okay, so first of all, manually sharing an individual campaign record with another Salesforce user. This is the first one. And second one, enable personal account without reaching out to the Salesforce support. So I will show you the practically one by one in my org. Okay, and secure Apex code with user mode database operation, still in beta, but you can see this query under these some articles under Salesforce. And after that you will be see Salesforce org or experience cloud site with the Microsoft credential. So if you need some auth provider, so there are so many auth provider under the Salesforce. Now Microsoft is one of the best auth provider under the Salesforce. I will show you how we can find out these all things, right? Now under here we have fifth feature that is called new modules: lightning alert, lightning confirm, lightning prompt. Okay, so these three types of things I will show you with practical in my VS Code with the LWC component. And keep in touch this LWC component because it's very most important for us. I will show you later on this video also. So we have next feature that is called Omni Studio alert card is now available in Salesforce platform. So if you know about the Omni Studio, so Omni Studio have Flex card, Omni script, and data raptors integration like that. So based on your need, so you can create your Flex card and you can use under the Lightning App Builder. I will show you the definition. Okay, so don't worry about that. Then we will learn discovery framework. So here we can use this discovery framework. Then we will have screen flow, header, and collapsible section. So how to create the flow as a section well, and how to collapse and expand based on our requirement. Then we will see test flow, how to test the flow with the help of some assertion operations, same like unit testing under the Apex. We can perform as well test flow under the Salesforce. Then we will see dynamic related list single. Okay, and then finally bulk delete inactive pick list value. It's still in beta, but you can write and you can learn from here as well. So this kind of feature I will show you in this session, and please watch until end because it's a very most important for us. If you not upgrade yourself, so it this is the not meaning to survive in the industry. So always keep in touch, or we can say that upgrade yourself again and again, and day by day we can say that. So this is a very most important features under the Summer 22. So let's get started with some practical part. We will see one by one here. So let me open my org. So I already opened my org. Before open the org, I have to show you something like this is the Summer 22 release org logo. So here you can see this is the logo, right? So this logo is related to this Summer 22. So now you can see this logo. So you can easily understand with the help of this logo that is related our like Summer 22 org. So just you can easily understand with the help of this logo, because right now if you want to log in recently org, so you can see different logo, because Salesforce every release change the logo, you know very well, right? And after that you will be see this kind of things under here. Let's say I just logged in my org, and let me refresh, and once you refresh this page you will be see the logo as a loading. Here you can see this is related to the Summer 22 logo. Here you can see this one. Sorry. So here you can see this one. Let me refresh again, and now you can see this one here. This is the logo. Now you can see, right? So I just logged in into my Summer 22 pre-release org. Now you can see this logo. First of all, you can easily identify, oh, this is my we can say that Summer 22 release org, and you can easily understand, oh, this is the latest org, and we are working on the Summer 22 org. Here you can see. Just focus on this logo first of all. Okay, once you see this logo, after that you can see this environment. Same like we already learn these things. Okay, so here first of all I will show you one by one features under the Summer 22. So first feature is like manually sharing an individual campaign record with another Salesforce user. So how to see that and how to navigate this operations. So now you can manually share an individual campaign records with another Salesforce user. This classic feature is now available in Lightning experience as well. Previously you can see like manual sharing options in classic, but you can see this manually sharing option now in Lightning experience as well, LEX. Okay, so here once you see these things, now how to navigate this one. So first of all you have to navigate particular object. Here you can see the campaign. Right now I am using campaign. If you want to open any record of the campaign, so you can change the list view, you know very well, like all active campaigns and recently view campaign. So just click on this recently view campaign, and once you open this recent view campaign, now you can see the record. Okay, campaign record. So once you see this record here, now under this drop down that is called one icon here, and once you click this one, now you can see different kind of options. One is a manual sharing, and now you can see the sharing hierarchy. So these two options is now available under Summer 22 new features, new release features here. Okay, so if you want to share this record as a manually or maybe like another Salesforce user, so you can share with the help of these options. First one this one, and second one this one. Sharing hierarchy. So hierarchy is related our like our like Salesforce hierarchy also have the roles, right? Under the roles we can perform the operations. So based on your requirement you can choose that. So here you can see like sharing hierarchy. So this is the sharing hierarchy. Here you can see. So you can share this record. So how to share the record? So just you have to click on this drop down and click on this sharing hierarchy. If you have another user in your org, so you can add that. So here you can see the all user. So you can add the user and you can perform these operations here. So this is the first features here. Okay, once you've done this thing, so that is related our sharing records. So this is the first features, and it's now generally available GA, and you can work accordingly. Now we have another feature that is called enable personal account without reaching out to the Salesforce support. So suppose that if you have some problem in your org, like let's say unwanted prompt or unwanted message is coming here in my org, suppose that. So how to resolve that? So you can just give the Salesforce support and you can send the mail to the Salesforce support, and Salesforce support person can be resolve this problem in your org. But here also you can give this permission as well, like enable personal account without reaching out to Salesforce support. So without Salesforce support person we can resolve this personal account setting. So how to navigate? So I will show you here. So in my org, just you have to click on this one that is called setup here, and once you click on this setup here, now under this setup you have to search like personal setting, that is related our personal setting here. Okay, so just click on this personal setting. So now you can see personal account or personal setting related my features. So you can enable that. So here you can enable personal account without reaching out the Salesforce. So here you can have personal account and just click on this one, and here once you click this personal account, it will be showing this kind of options here, like set read permissions, set organization wide sharing, right, and enable personal account. So you have to click on this enable accounts. So turn on the personal account after you complete all the requirement steps. So first of all you have to complete this step like first and second, and then you will be see like enable personal account and you can work accordingly. So this is the another features here, right? So this is related our summer 22. Okay, now come to the next feature. So next feature is like secure Apex code with user mode database operation. So still in beta, but you can work accordingly. So declare if Apex run database operation in user mode or system mode. So you know very well, if you write some code, so it's automatic under the system mode. Okay, so if you need this system mode to change like as a user mode, so you can manually change that, right? And you can write like without sharing and with sharing in Apex class. But here like the new database method support an access level parameter that lets you can run database operation in a user mode instead of in the default system mode. So how to do that? So here I have another article here. This is the Salesforce Summer 22 release notes, and here you can select secure Apex code with user mode database operations and you can work accordingly. So here come down, now you can see once you write any SQL query, and SQL query always return the list of as object. Okay, so now you can see like select ID from account with user mode. So this keyword is additionally we can say that additional added into the summer 22 release. Okay, so if you need I want to change this mode as a user mode, so you can change it like with user mode, user underscore mode options. So this is available, and you can go ahead here this URL that is called help.salesforce.com and article, and you can learn from this from here about this features that is called secure Apex code with user mode and database operations. Okay, so once you done these things, now I have another features. Let's say this one, that is fourth features here. So fourth feature is like Salesforce org or experience cloud side with the Microsoft credential. So how to find out and how to work accordingly? So we can access Salesforce org or experience cloud side with the Microsoft credential. So here under my org, let me open my org, or let me go here and click here, and under the quick find you have to search that is called auth provider. So once you search this auth here, just click on this identity, and under the identity you can see like auth and providers. So just click on this auth provider here. Okay, so under this auth provider here you can cannot see any record right now because it's a fresh org. That's why you cannot see any kind of auth provider here. Just you have to click on this new button and you will be see that is related my auth. So here you can see that provider name. So provider type. So what is the provider type here? So once you expand this, now you will be see new features here that is called Microsoft. So previously you cannot see these features. Right now summer 22 you can see this Microsoft auth provider. Okay, this is the another features under the summer 22. So you can work accordingly based on your requirement. So if you don't know like auth provider or how to integrate like Facebook or Google, so you can watch my integration playlist video and you can find out these integrations, and also you can see this Microsoft as well. Like if you want to integrate like Microsoft account into the Salesforce, so just you have to click on this Microsoft and give the URL and you can work accordingly. Okay, so this is the another features here. Okay, so here let me open another features for you, that is new features like new modules, lightning alert, lightning confirm and lightning prompt. Okay, so we can use the new module lightning alert, lightning confirm and lightning prompt instead of native API to create notification in Chrome and Safari. Plan to end support for the cross origin use of the window.alert. You know very well, console.log, console.alert, something like that. Window.alert, window.confirm, and window.prompt. Native API. So this is the native API, right? But how to work on this like LWC things? This one. How to work on the lightning alert, lightning confirm, and lightning prompt. Okay. So if you don't know these things, so let me open, first of all, let me open my Google Chrome, and under this Google Chrome, if you don't know about these things, so once you open like developer console, or we can say the browser console. Okay, so here just you have to do, so how to open that? Just you have you right click on the browser and just click on the inspect, and here under the console section, just let me clear this console, and just you have to write like, let's say window. Like window is a predefined object. Under this object we have lots of property. Let's say alert. Under this alert, let me enter like hello, something like that, and click on this enter. Now you can see one pop-up that is called alert. So alert is coming with my text that is called hello here, right? So just click on this. Okay, so this is the window alert here, right? This is the native API of the browser, Google Chrome, any browser as you have. Okay, based on your need, so you can do that. Okay, so here just here under this one, right? So you can see this one, and now let me show you another things like window dot confirm, or like prompt, like confirm. First of all, like confirm. Under this confirm we have like some message like enter or something like that. If you don't give this message, so you can leave it as it. Now you can see like Chrome, it's asking two buttons, one is a cancel and one is a okay. So okay is always written as a true, cancel always written as a false. So based on your requirement, you can show this confirm message here. So this is the native JavaScript API under the any browser as you have, like Safari, Mozilla, or Google Chrome, or like Microsoft Edge, or anything as you have. So based on your requirement, you can choose that. So here just let me cancel it. Now you can see the false. If you need again, like let's say okay, you will see like true here. So it's always written as a true and false, right? Now we have another things like Windows dot like prompt. Okay, under this prompt you can enter your message like enter your name, and once you enter your name, it's asking like enter your name, right? So I just enter my name, let's say Rohit, and click on this OK button. So it's always written the string, or we can say that anything as you enter in the input type box, so it's automatic written that values here. Okay, so we can perform this kind of operation into the LWC as well. So how to perform this this operation into the LWC? So you can perform this operation into the LWC. Let me open my VS Code, and now you can see just here I just created one alert demo here. Under this alert demo, I just created three buttons. This is the one button that is related my handle alert click. This is the second button that is related my handle click confirm click, and this is the third button that is related handle prompt click. So I have three options here, right? So under these three buttons I can work accordingly, right? So first of all, you have to write this method that is called handle alert click first of all. So here you can see I just already write this code for your better understanding purpose. So now you have to import this module first of all, that is import lightning alert from lightning under like slash and then alert. If you need some alert, so always import this statement first of all. So here once you enter this alert here, now you have to write your handle alert click methods. Just I already defined under the HTML, you can see this handle alert click, and after that you can select handle click, and this is the asynchronous process. So you know very well like asynchronous process. So if you don't know about the asynchronous process, so you can watch my JavaScript videos playlist, so you can easily understand all the things, right? So once you write your functions, now you can select await lightning alert. This is the lightning alert dot open. So this is the method. Under this method we have like parameters like message, theme, and label, right? So let me save it, and just you have to deploy this one. Same kind of things you can work accordingly like confirm, prompt, and rest of the things. So I just defined three methods here. First is like for like alert, second is confirm, and then finally you can see the prompt. Okay, so this kind of methods I have. Under this method you can see this processes. So how to perform this one? So let me open my org first of all, and now you will be see this kind of outputs. So once you open this org, you will be see this 3 buttons with some alert message or prompt message or confirm message. Based on your requirement you can do that. Okay, so just focus on this API. If you need like alert, so always import this module, and if you need another things, let's say like confirm, so you have to import this confirm. If you need like prompt, so always import this prompt here. So we have to import this 3 modules first of all, right? So just you can work accordingly, like alert, confirm and prompt, right? Once you done these things, now you can see my org is opened here, and now let me open my home page, and then we will see these things here, right? So just as I already did it. So here just click on this lightning app launcher, and here just let me search like home page. So let me click on this home page here, and now here under this home page, now you will be see here just this kind of features. Okay, now I already import into the lightning app builder page. Under the lightning app builder page you will be see like alert demo component. So I already created alert demo component, and based on that component you can work accordingly. So here now you can see here I just already used here, that is called my alert component, and now you can select open alert model, open confirm model and open prompt model. So we have 3 kinds of buttons here, and based on this button we can perform and we can show the alert message, not toast. So toast is a different, always remember toast is a different, and this alert message is different. So previously if you need some like debugging purpose in JS file, so always you already write some codes like this one, let's say console, okay, like console.log. So sorry, so console.log. Under this console.log you have to write something, string or some variable based on your need, like say this one, right? So previously this is the traditional operations. Now in summer 22 it's automatic changed here these features, and now you can work accordingly, right? So once you done these things, now here first of all let me open this open alert model, and once you click on this open alert model, now you can see error. So this is the theme, that is called error, and now you can see the message, that is called, this is the alert message, and click on this OK, it's automatic vanish. So just click on this alert again, now you can see this one. So this is the first alert message under the LWC in this new features, and based on this new feature you can work accordingly here, right? So this is the first features here. Now let me click on this OK, and now you have to click on this open confirm model, and now you can see it's asking 2 buttons, OK and cancel, and this is the promote message here. You can see once you click on OK, it's always written as a true information message here, that is called true, right? Again let me click on this cancel, now you can see the false value. So based on your requirement you can work accordingly. Okay, now we have another thing that is called prompt model. So how to open this prompt model? Is asking some value, and then you can enter that value, and you can print anywhere as you want. Okay, just click on this open promote here, and let me enter here some value that is called like this is summer 22, something like that, and click on this OK button, and now you can show this message, so you can cancel it. Now you can see it as a null value. Okay, so this is the another features here. So based on your requirement you learn something new in this features, right? So this is the new features in the LWC. So now let me open another features here, and then you can see like Omni Studio alert card is now available in the Salesforce, and now you will be seeing card that is called opening like Omni Studio alert card is now available in the Salesforce. So the Omni Studio alert card and related component and integration procedure are now a part of the Salesforce platform, as you know. So if you are working in the Velocity, so Velocity also we call like Omni Studio. Okay, so Velocity is the old one and Omni Studio is the latest one. So based on your need, so you can work accordingly. So now a part of the Salesforce platform, and you no longer have to install a data pack from a GitHub repository in Lightning App Builder on the record page that you are hitting drag and drop flex card standard component from the component panel to the Lightning page canvas and position where you want to it appear. So based on your need, so you can work accordingly here. So this is the another features here, right? So how to find out? Just you have to click on this Lightning App Builder page. Under the Lightning App Builder page, you will be see the flex card in the left panel in the standard component. Okay, now you have see like another feature that's called discovery framework. So this is the new discovery framework data model. The power of the Omni Studio enable your user to manage your aspect of the questionnaires driven data collection, or user can be create digital form to collect and validate their customer information in a compliant manner. So this is the another feature available under the Summer 22, right? Now this is the very most important for us, that is called screen flow header and collapsible. So we can collapse the screen flow header and footer as well based on your need. Section we can header are the collapsible and always open by default to make the screen flow completion and more efficiently. Okay, so how to work on that? Let me show you first of all. So just you have to click on this this one, this latest org, and I just all here, and you have to search under the quick find that is called flows. Just click on this flows here. That is click on this flows here, and once you click on these flows, you will be see different kinds of flows here, right? So let me click on this flows here, and here let me show you. So just click on this flows, or let me refresh again. Now it's taking some time, so don't worry. Let me change. And now here, let me check the network. Yeah, network is stable now. Okay, so it's taking some time, so don't worry about that. Okay, so let me take some another feature. So let me close this one, let me refresh. And now once you refresh it, now you have to go in the all flows here, and now you have to click on this or you have to click on this new flow here. And once you click on this new flow, you have to create your new flow as well here. So just click on this screen flow first of all, create. If you don't know about these flows, so you can learn from my playlist as well. Okay, so just you have to click on this screen flow, and just let me change this freeform here, and let me drag and drop some screen here, and the screen name, let's say first screen, right? And under this screen I need to have some section under here. So how to provide this section? Just you have to search like section, just drag and drop these sections. Under this section we have like full width or based on your need, and include the header as well. So under this header I need to enter, let's say first section, something like that. So under here you can see the first section. Under this section I need to like define like columns 6 by like 6 of 12, like 6 by out of 12, right? So once you done these things, you have to drag and drop some tags here, like text field, because I need some tags, let's say this one, and this is the account name, something like that. And again you have to do like some another tags, let's say anything as you have like addresses, so you can do that, right? And then you have to search here, let's say section. Again I need another section here, because my motive is like to understand these sections collapsible only just for this one, this features, not like deep and dive all the features of this pro. Just focus on this collapsible header and all the things, right? So this is one thing here. So under here, let me add this columns here and sections, right? I need this header. Under this header, let's say second section, something like that. Under this second section, I need some text, let's say employee first name, student first name, or last name based on your need. So you can do that. So under here, let's say text, I need this text and just drag and drop, and let's say student name, something like that, student name. And here, let's say it's a type mistake, student name. Let me remove this one, and now you can say student name. Again, let's say this one, let's say email or phone number based on your need, like phone number. So you can see the phone number here, right? So once you done it, let me done it, and let me connect this flow into this screen, and let me save it. Let's say section flow. And once you done these things, let me save it. And once you save it, now after some time, once you saved it, now you will be see one button here that is called run and debug, and activation as automatically enabled once you saved it. Okay, so it's taking some time, so it's checking like some network. Okay, let me save it again and click on this save button, and here let me save it, and then you will be see this features here. Let me save it. Now it's automatic save, and click on this run button. And once you click on this run button, so it's automatic run your flow with all the sections, right? So how to show that, I will show you here, right? So just here, just focus on that, right? So here, once you done, so it's taking some time. Okay, so don't worry about that. So here, let me check the connection first of all. Okay, so it's taking some time, and once you done this one, you will be see the section as a like collapsible, collapse or expandable based on your need. So you can do that, right? So here you will be see let me check the network first of all. Maybe some network issue from my side. Sorry guys for that one. And once you done this flow, you will be see this type of sections like expandable, collapsible, because here you can see first section as a collapsible, right? Second section as here, right? So now here, just focus on that. First of all, let me open this Google here. Now here you can see this collapsible here, right? So this is another features here. We have another features that is called test flow, dynamic related list, and bulk delete inactive quick list. So this kind of features you will be see in my like session like Salesforce community Chanpur group. You will be see with practical these all options, remaining options. So guys, till then, if you have any query questions, so you can put into the chat like comment box, and please share your thoughts on new features, which features you liked, and please